Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that Dogelon Mars has formed another bullish bias pattern that was a down channel. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that it is still moving inside this down channel. By the way, this time when it was testing the support, in fact, it moved very close to the support of this down channel, but did not test its support. And by the way, this is the down channel. Let me remove all the trend lines and it will be more visible to you. This is the down channel that I'm talking about. And when it was moved very close to the support of this channel, at the same time, it was forming lower than previous low. But if we take a look at the oscillators, like stochastic oscillator was forming higher low than previous. So you can see that it was forming higher low than previous low and also entered the oversold zone as well. And even this bullish divergence is also can be seen on the 7-day time frame chart as well. You can see that the price went formed lower than previous low and stochastic was forming higher low than previous low. And now we have also received a bull cross from the oversold zone as well. That is a buying signal from the oversold zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is a trade setup for Tensor, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this trade setup I shared on 14th of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And you can see that here, recently, the price line has formed this bullish bias pattern. That is a down channel. And you can see that it is still moving inside this channel. However, while moving inside this channel, we have broken down this very strong and long-term uptrend line support that was previously working as a support here. And you can see that for several days or weeks, it had been working as a support here, and recently it was also working as a support here. But now we have broken down the support and now we are dropped down at the next long-term uptrend line support. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line support is coming from the month of June 2021. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and this was the last bounce. And recently, you can see that the price line has once again dropped down at this support. And despite this long spike up to the support of the channel, the price line did not break down this support. And also, it has tested the support, the previous resistance of the falling wedge pattern that has been already broken out on the 7-day time frame chart. And that resistance, it has tested as a support as well. Now, if the price line will be reached at the resistance of this down channel, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at 1710. And in case of breaking out this resistance, it can hit the target here at the top of the channel. That is at 4200. And over there, we have a quite long-term resistance as well. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this 4200 had been previously breaking as a resistance here for several weeks. And now, recently, it also worked as a resistance here as well. Now, on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and still a big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And that technical target can be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 22760. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.